This is what helped me pass the FE, and this is what helped me pass the PE. So where I like to actually start is I like to start with exam day and then work a little backwards. So I blocked off that first weekend on the 15th and 16th of November to take two different simulated exams. And what I mean by simulated exam is you are going to time yourself. You're going to get your hands on a practice exam and some test booklets, and you're going to select the specific amount of problems that's in the 3-hour window. So we're going to do that same thing, except in this case, on that Sunday, I offered a 1-hour exam just so you're not overwhelming yourself. You have the options to do 2 3-hour exams if you wanted to, but I gave the option, again, just to not overwhelm. I think on that very first week, October 20th, that Monday, I think he needs to start going through the reference manual and at least start looking at questions. Familiarize yourself with the content. Then that Wednesday, kind of just do the same thing. I know it can feel very overwhelming to just begin studying, but you kind of have to start somewhere. The reason why I would recommend just opening up the reference manual and walking through a couple questions is because it gives you at least some sort of reward that you've begun studying. Now you're going to pick it up each and every week, every Monday and Wednesday. I highly recommend maybe starting with 5 questions. And then if you think that that's not enough, start bumping it up to 10 and 20 questions. Remember, you have about 3 minutes per problem. So you can use that as a baseline for how much time it should take you to study these questions. Very last thing are the couple of days leading up to the exam date. You really don't want to burn out. I mean, he already works every single week, probably 40, 45 hours a week. So you want to take it easy on your brain. Maybe just make some flashcards, go over some terminology, maybe practice a couple of those problems that you really struggle with, but you don't want to burn yourself out. Is anyone else studying for the FE exam? If you are, comment below. Hope this helps.